Well, hi folks, it's Rog here, aka the Gourmet Grandad, and welcome to my kitchen. And today I'm going to be cooking a broccoli and Stilton soup. Now this is a fantastic soup, it's so easy to make, just a few ingredients and you're up and away. Now we're going to need some celery. I've got 2 sticks here, well, very small sticks. 1 whole brown onion, which I'm going to chop quite small. 1 potato, I'm going to chop that as well. We're going to use this to thicken the soup. I'm going to leave the skin on. Some frozen broccoli. And of course, we've got to have the Stilton cheese, haven't we? Look at that, that looks delicious straight away, doesn't it? I'm going to use probably about 200 grams of that. And 1 litre of a really good, you can use chicken stock or you can use vegetable stock. I've used vegetable stock. Now we can start by chopping our onion, celery and our potato. Place a pan on the hob, then we can add a generous knob of butter, that can go in, followed by some cooking oil. In that goes. Then in with the onions. We can let those cook down just for a couple of minutes until they go translucent. Followed by the celery. Then we can go in with the stock. Don't forget, it's about 1 litre altogether. Now I've taken about 200 grams of this lovely Stilton here. I've cut the rind off, the end bit, and just crumbled it up. Oh, I do love Stilton. Bring the soup back to the boil, pop in our potatoes, followed by our broccoli. I've got about 10 ounces here, but it's entirely up to you. Put a bit more in if you wish. Then on with the lid. Oh, it's the wrong size. So's that. That's far too big. Let's try. Perfect. Honestly, every time I get a lid for a pan, it's always the wrong size. Okay, so after about 30 minutes, we'll take the lid off. Now it's starting to look a bit like soup, so in with the cheese. We can let this melt down. Now I could use one of these, a food processor, but those food processors take quite a lot of washing up. So I'm going to use this stick blender, and it's a cordless one, so you haven't got that nasty cable hanging around all the time. Now of course you don't need to do this, but I prefer to take another bowl and a sieve, then pass my soup through this. It just takes away any lumps of vegetables that might not have mixed in properly.
Crikey, I've had enough of this. I think I just put the whole lot in one go.
Then this is what we end up with. Then we'll give it a little swirl of cream. I think that's what you say, is it? Swirl?
And there you have it, broccoli and Stilton soup.
and very delicious it is too. I'm so pleased with that. What a winter warmer that will be. Well, thank you once again guys for watching this latest video of mine, and please subscribe, please give me a thumbs up if you so wish, and I shall see you again on the next video. Thanks again and bye for now.